So jumping right into this brow tutorial, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown, and I will be creating the shape I want my eyebrows to be, not being too worried about it being super perfect because we're going to be using concealer to clean that up anyway. And for this step, I'm using my Billion Dollar Brows flat angled brow brush. Now I'm just using a clean mascara spoolie just to spread that product through my brows. As you can see, I only have hair in the front, so I'm just combing that through and making everything look more flawless. Now I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in dark, and I'm creating that shape I really want my eyebrows to be.
Don't care, get dressed, whatever. I don't feel like
so here I'm just brushing the product downward so that it doesn't mess up that sharp, crisp line I just created underneath my eyebrows, and just blending out the product. So when I do my eyebrows, I like to use a concealer that's pretty close to my skin tone, probably like about a shade or two lighter, just because I don't usually go for the hot, like the halo effect on the eyes, on the eyebrows where it's just super lighter than you. But if you feel that your concealer that you have is too light, you can mix it with your own foundation, and it'll make it a little darker. I like to use my fingers to blend out the product that I can still see around my eyebrows. Basically just warms it up and helps it melt into my skin.
I just landed in another atmosphere. I'm just floating in a standstill sphere. I bet you have questions like where did I come from?
So using that same mascara spoolie, I'm just brushing that again through my brows, perfecting and making sure everything looks the way I want it to look. And then we are all done.
Take my sphere to go, sphere to go, sphere to go, sphere to the top of the pyramid.